Instructions for our Pomodoro Ragu Fettuccine meal kit. The taste works. Ideally, defrost the sauces in your refrigerator overnight. Squeeze out the pomodoro and meat in a pot that fits just right. Loosen the containers by running or soaking them under hot water. On low heat, melt and bring the sauce to a gentle simmer. Be patient, it takes about 10 minutes. Cook 3/4 of the fettuccine pack according to the instructions. Cook the pasta al dente. Transfer the sauce to a pan and bring to a gentle simmer. Move the pasta directly into the pan. The dripping pasta water will add a little more moisture. This is fine. Carefully mix the fettuccine so all of it gets coated with sauce. Transfer the pasta to a large plate and leave no sauce behind. Top with the included Parmesan cheese and olive oil. Make that pasta smile back. Enjoy your restaurant quality plate of Ragu di Carne in the comfort of your own home. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe and follow us on Instagram if you like this video. COVID-19 shut down our restaurant, so now we're food blogging. Stay tuned for more.